The week is already looking good, guys, and I'm just going to start our top-down analysis, trying to focus this new, week trades. And of course, you guys love trading gold, right? So let's just start from gold trade and you know try to reconnect from where we left from last week, and react to what price is telling us, right? So as usual, guys, I'm just going to start from maybe daily time frame or even the weekly time frame, whichever strategy that will be having clear structure, right? So now this is just the daily time frame. So as usual, you know all we've seen that gold has just been consolidating, you understand? So our previous analysis, we are still anticipating a push to the top, but until gold gave us a confirmation that she was ready, to go all the way up. But this is a new week, gold has done nothing, right? And of course, I've not yet taken gold trade. I've not had any gold position because I never saw gold giving me my edge. If price doesn't give me my edge, amigos, I don't go in, right? So as for now, we just see that the market is still moving sideways. We can have this probably something like that, right? So that is what I see gold doing. Good. Now, if I go to the H4 real quick, I want to see what price is doing. I want to see the structure that the market is, forming, whether the market is giving me highs or low continuation, so such kind of patterns, right? Good. So what is gold basically doing right now? I wonder what she's doing. So we just need to, analyze this market and understand. Right now we're just trying to decrypt the code, right? Because I say the market is like, a crypted code. All you need to do is just decrypt it, right? So I'll remove these ones right here, and of course, have this as usual as our highest high, and of course right here is our lowest low right there. So now all we see is gold is dropping. Our anticipation was gold was to give us a bullish continuation, so we go all the way up. But I'm not thinking of taking any entry on gold. Why? Now if I zoom in right here, there's something that has made me to stop looking for buys on gold. But then remember, I'm not going to look for sales either until price correct itself, right? So this, let me just go to the H1. If you watch my previous video talking about some tiny details might be, make you to always hit stop loss. Now the market just gave me this tiny detail right here. You see this wick right here and this level right there. That is what made me to be relaxed on looking for entry on gold. Why do I talk about this wick and this level right here? Now remember that video I said, if you see the market going up, then does this, gives you something like this, goes up, then now drops, then that's when it starts giving you this kind of anticipation. Never ignore this wick right here, right? And that is what gold basically did. You see right here. Now previously, this is how I used to have my trend line. Or started from this level right there, then have it something like this, and of course I can clone it, maybe drag it below something like this, and then okay, I see the market doing this, blah blah blah, look for my entry. Then once I see price hitting this level, then reverses on me, right? So I said, okay, let me just backtest this thing and understand why price was doing that. Now if I flip my screen, let me just talk about that wick that I just talked about right here. If we have a trend passing from that level right there, that is it. So you see, for instance, if I look for my entry property, maybe right there, then I see maybe gold going this, then it's having that possibility that it will go all the way down for probably going back to test this level. Who knows? You understand? It might trick us. Let's just remove this. It might trick us. Okay, she's going up, then boom, then comes back to retest this level, then that's when maybe gold touch the sky. So for now, I think these two level, these two high, the wick and the body right here, this 1 2 have already interfere with my gold structure. So I'm not that interested in gold until she gives me something clear. I never wanted this right here. All I needed to see was this level, so that I could have looked for a good clean entry. But then all in all, let's just continue analyzing gold for those who scalpers basically, you know or even day traders. So I'll remove that. But then before we proceed, guys, you guys have been amazing basically, guys, and I'm giving out free opportunities to enter, let me just show you in my VIP group right here. So this is First Hand FX premium group. So I'm giving out free opportunity, to join the gang. All you just need to do is follow the link in the description box below, then join my Telegram channel. That's the public Telegram channel, and of course you'll get instruction on how to join this VIP. Basically, let me just go through right here. So if you want to get access to my lifetime VIP, this is it. This is what you need. Let's just bring this right here. So this is all you need. You just follow this instruction. I have partnered with the FBS broker, one of the best brokers basically, right? So we partnered with the FBS, and of course this video is also sponsored by FBS broker. So we've partnered with FBS, and this is the only way I can give you access to my lifetime VIP membership. So all you just need to do is just sign up with the recommended broker, that is the FBS link. This is the link right there. Log into, follow the instruction, log into my or that is join my public Telegram, and you'll find this instruction. Sign up with the recommended broker, which is FBS. Click on that, and then all you just need to do is just deposit any amount of your choice, whether $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, whichever amount you like, right? The money is yours, it's not mine. Once you do that, then just send me that screenshot, right here, to my DM right there. Once you send me that screenshot, and I'll send you a link where you'll join the the First Hand FX premium group. So let me just take you through the group. So you see right over here, I give out analysis, and of course I guide them. So for instance, let me just talk about that gold trade that we're analyzing. We had one of our member had already taken that gold trade right here. So he took that gold trade, and I said no, she's not ready. He took a buy. Let me just talk you through right here. Okay, right there. All right, then he said, I think gold might be ready for entry. What's your take? And then I said, where is it? Oh, I said not yet. Okay, my liver is growing, not to worry, I will get there. Okay, I have entered already. This is what he said. I've entered already. Then I said, I think we should start finishing contribution for Greg, because gold was not ready. And when was this? This was on July 2nd when he took that buy entry. And I said, yo, gold is not ready. All right. And I said, let me just where's this? Okay, I said, let me make a video about that gold trade, explaining why she's not ready. And of course I did. Oh, these are just the trades right here that we take on our VIP. So VIP is open to everyone, guys. You can ask question, I'll guide you, send you analysis, what you're thinking about, and I'll guide you through, and we talk about that trade before you make mistakes. So we just guide you so that you can be profitable. And of course people are winning. Let me just go through right here. Let me just talk about what people are saying when there was in trade. Oh, we had this trade that was an amazing trade. So right here, okay, somebody is grateful for it. Thank you so much, of course, for helping, right? Okay, so yeah, I'm guiding them, of course. It's my, no one blaming. Okay, I like your signals the best. The rest is some signals he makes, and sometimes she loses. Sorry, oh, you can't. I got paid a quite fee, but believe me, nothing like yours. That is my signal, right? So she lost in other groups, no problem, right? All right, then let's just go. All these are just trades that we did take. Somebody said, okay, hi coach, I would like just to thank you for your guidance and motivational messages, which are impacting the way I look at the market these days. Before I would rush taking many entries on a daily basis and easily lose account, but now I'm able to hold them for weeks. And thanks to your teachings, I'm very grateful for everything, and I wish you keep the ball rolling until you can produce many profitable traders in this VIP group, right? And that is what I told them the beginning of this week. I said, but the end of the beginning of this year, I told them, by the end of this year I want to see everybody being profitable. So that's why I guide them. And I send them analysis and talk them through. So I just wanted to show you this gold analysis, how I was explaining. Where is it? Where is this video? Just a minute right here. So watch this video.
So this is the reason why I'm not yet interested in gold trade. I've not yet seen a sign that bulls are trying to go back, to dominate this swing, this buy. Yes, we had bulls coming in, and we had a great impulse phase. So right now I don't understand what price is doing basically right over here, but basically that might be a sign. Let me just remove this. That still might be a sign to tell us that probably she's accumulating. Right now, for those who use the Fibonacci tool, she has not yet. I'll be giving have this probably right there. Investment tool of mine to look for my entry position, and if edge, the moment I opened my position, stop loss was below right.
Yeah, so that's just a video I was sending them. So guys, like I say, only left with 18 people. I'm only looking for 18 people, right? Once the 18 is done, then to join my VIP, basically you'll have to pay a fee, right? But as of now, the VIP is very free for anyone who wants to join. Link in the description box below. Follow the instructions. Sign up, deposit any amount, send me a screenshot. I'll send you link so that you can join this VIP and get access to a lifetime membership. You will not pay anything, right? So let's just proceed with this gold trade for our scalpers on the day trader. So I'll flip my screen once again, and I think right now I just need to talk about some maybe demand and supply zone. So we had this level right there. Let's mark that level, and of course we mark this level because that is where she's bounced from, right? Okay, there's also this level too, but I don't know. Let me just see if she's valid. But anyway, let's just not ignore that level. Yeah, I think let's just bring it right there. So for now, this is what we have based on a gold trade 1 hour time frame. So I'll flip the screen back, and this is it right now. For those who are looking for maybe selling position for confirmation, I say understand how price is approaching a support level or a resistance level, correct? Now all I just need to see is how gold is going to react around this level. If she gives us a continuation bearish confirmation, that will be a sign that she wants to continue dropping. But then if gold does this, hit this level with an impulse, gives us a continuation, bullish continuation, then that will say that she's trying to go all the way up. So it's very, very simple, right? Right now the level that we are currently cruising at is a very sensitive zone. All you just need to do is understand two things: price reaction around that level. What do I mean? Look for bullish confirmation or bearish signs. Once you see bears are giving signs that they want to break out of this level, look for your sell position. But if you don't see bears coming in and you see bulls coming in, that's when I think should be good to look for buys position, correct? Now let's just talk about GBPUSD real quick. GBPUSD, I'll just click on any broker, whichever, right there. I think, yeah. Let's go. So about GBPUSD, I'll start on the daily time frame basically, and then this is very simple, guys. GBPUSD is looking nice and very clear. This one is not just not looking like gold, right? So I don't need to complicate issues. I don't need to go all the way down, right? So all I need to do is just look for previous swing highs and swing lows. There's a previous swing low and that another swing low right there. So for those who like using trend, this is a very clear one. 1 2 right there, somewhere around that level. And I'll go to the H4 real quick, something like this, correct? Make sure that I adjust my drawing, have them right here, something like that. And somewhere around that level right there. Now and then another thing, guys, all this analysis that I'm doing, remember, once I get opportunity, I'm going to send these trades. When I'm taking them, I'm going to give them to the VIP. I might give maybe one signal to the public, but then if you want to get these signals each and every time they play out, join the VIP access for free. You understand? So let's go. What is GBPUSD doing now? The moment I want to see GBPUSD taking out this low right here. Why? Let's just bring this right there. Why do I want to see GBPUSD taking out this low? So this is it. The moment I see she takes out this low right there, and then now that will tell me that this will be a confirmed continuation. That is confirmed bullish continuation, something like that. Correct? Let me just I think let's just remove that now. Then all I'll need to do is just drag this below, something like this. Now this is just going to be so much amazing, beautiful, and once she gives us an entry confirmation, we are going to hold our position in the VIP. Hold it, guys. Remember our rules. We don't trail, we don't take partial. It's either the market hits our take profit or stop loss. So we just let the market do its thing. The moment we catch a move, guys, we let the market do its thing. Whether it takes 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we hold our position. Right? That's one thing amazing about VIP, right? So this is what I see on GBPUSD. Just want to see the moment she breaks out of this low, very, very good. That's going to be a confirmed bullish confirmation. So all I need to see is an impulse phase and how price is going to react around this level right there. Once I get a confirmation around this level, boom, looking for my entries, something like that, and I hold it, you know. So that's how I do it. And I think it's just the same thing on EURUSD. Just go and click on any random broker, and oh, we had analysis on EURUSD, and I think she did not pull back as anticipated, but then I had two levels, this one and this one, correct? So since the market never pulled back to this level, we had this one too. Let's just remove this, just the same thing. And like I said before, the moment she takes out this low, let me mark this low right there. The moment she takes out that low, then that's going to be a good confirmation, something like that. Can I extend it all the way up? But then yeah, that's it. Sometimes it might not hit this level, but then the thing is, let's just adjust this one. Thing is, once she touches this level right there, probably boom, then I want to see reaction around that level, then I'm looking for my entry, right? So it's just the same analysis that we just had on a GBPUSD, right? I think that's enough for today. I think those pairs are looking nice to hold on once we get a position this week. Hold on to, you know, the swing, right? And once again, guys, remember, check out my Telegram link in the description box below. And you want to join VIP, mi amigos, like I say, link in the description box. Remember, only 18 people before this offer or this promotion ends. Once this 18 turns to 0, then I'm going to close down this offer. And if you want to join my membership, basically you'll have to pay a fee, right? So but as for now, is very free lifetime VIP membership. So adios, mi amigos, peace.